Hello, my name's Martin Fish and today we're going to look at the Cobra Fortis cylinder mower and also the lawn care system, of which there are 6 interchangeable cylinders which will help to keep your lawn in perfect condition. When you buy a Cobra Fortis cylinder mower, it comes with this 6-bladed cylinder which makes a great job of cutting, but there are then an additional 6 cartridges, and the one we've put in the mower at the moment is the Dethatcher. Now this is what you would use when you've got more of a serious problem with a build-up of thatch in the lawn, lots of dead material. You might have a very spongy lawn because it's had no lawn care for several seasons. So this will actually rip into that and pull it out. We only use this in the spring or the autumn, and in the spring we do it when the grass is just starting to grow. In the autumn we do it when there is still growth but the temperatures are cooling down, and you do need moisture in the soil. Don't try doing this when it's too dry because it will bounce. You need the soil to be soft and moist, and what these blades do is they actually cut in, and with this one we are cutting into the soil a little bit, and we can adjust it of course with the height control knob just there. And if I tilt the mower back and put the adjustment bar across and we put it on the back roller and the front roller, we can see that when we've put that in, this is the top of this is soil level, and we are cutting in 2 or 3 millimeters actually into the soil. And what that will do is rip out that buildup of thatch. If you've got lots of crossing stems that are causing that thick mat, it will cut through those as well. And ideally, we would, in a bad situation, we would do this in more than one direction. So you would do it up and down the lawn, across and at 45 degrees, and that way you will really rip all that out. It takes quite a lot out. It's ideal to use this if you're intending to top dress and overseed, and the top dressing and the seed can get down into the slits that it makes. That in itself would encourage new growth from the existing grass, but the grass seed has then got somewhere to grow, and it will really help to thicken up that lawn and get rid of that spongy effect. So what we'll do is put the grass collection box on, start it up, and we'll do a few stripes up and down the lawn just to show you what it does. I've made several passes up and down the lawn with the Dethatcher, and look, that is what it's taken out. The lawn doesn't really look any different, to be fair, but it just shows you what is lurking down below in the base of the grass. And this is only set to a couple of millimeters. If you've got a really thick spongy lawn and you went 4 or 5 millimeters, in fact you can go down to 10 if you need to, it will take all of that out. And we can see here just the thin lines that it's created where it's dug in, and it's also lifted all the lateral growth that was growing like that. So when we come along now with the mower, it will cut those off and they will then bush out. We call it tilling from the base. It makes that basal growth to give you a really thicker lawn, and of course it's taking weed out. The thicker grass will then smother the weed, so it will greatly improve your lawn doing this in the spring and the autumn to take that thatch out. For more information on the Cobra Fortis range and for details of lawn care and the lawn care calendar, go to cobragarden.co.uk.